If Firefox is showing the SEC error Ocsp old response message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing normally. This error is usually caused by a wrong system date and time, or by old cached data inside Firefox that needs to be cleared. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fix it safely and quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing to check is your computer's date and time. Firefox relies on secure certificate checks, and if your clock is even slightly off, the browser can think a certificate response is outdated. To fix that, go to the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and right-click the clock. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. This will open your system date and time settings. Once you're there, turn on the option that says Set Time Automatically. This allows Windows to sync your clock with an internet time server instead of relying on a manually incorrect time. After that, look for the Sync Now button and click it. This forces your device to refresh the clock right away and match real time more accurately. After syncing, give it a moment, then open Firefox again and check whether the error is gone. If the message still appears, the next step is to clear Firefox's stored site data and cached files. Sometimes old cookies or stale cached pages can interfere with secure connections and trigger this error. To do that, open Firefox and click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window. This opens the main menu. From there, click Settings, or if your version says Options, click that instead. Inside the Settings page, go to the Privacy and Security tab on the left side. Scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. In that section, click Clear Data. A small window will appear with two checkboxes. Make sure both boxes are checked, including cookies and site data and temporary cached files and pages. Then click Clear to remove the stored browser data. This can help refresh Firefox and resolve certificate-related issues caused by outdated information. Once that finishes, fully close Firefox so the changes take effect properly. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also end the browser process from Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager quickly. In the list of running apps, select Firefox, then click End Task. This makes sure Firefox is completely closed and not still running in the background. After that, reopen Firefox and try loading the website again. In many cases, one of these three steps is enough to fix the SEC error Ocsp old response problem. First, correcting the system time keeps your certificates valid. Second, clearing cookies and cache removes outdated browser data. And third, restarting Firefox makes sure everything reloads cleanly. If the error is still showing, you may want to double check that Windows updates are installed and that your internet connection is stable, because secure certificate checks depend on both. But for most users, the steps in this video should solve the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.